Those people or that person who acted as if you weren't wanted, who may have chosen others over you, will be begging for your company. Individuals made you feel like an outsider, butterflies. Whether knowingly or unknowingly, their actions proved at the time that they didn't value you for whatever reason. You were forced to go into isolation, forced to be alone. But what they didn't understand was that it was for your spiritual growth. You were going through a lot. You went through a harsh ending. For some of you, the realization that these individuals did not see your value really hit in the gut. You knew what you brought to the table, but you stopped forcing, you stopped trying, you stopped begging for validation from individuals who, for whatever reason, refused to see your worth. They thought that they were too cool for you. They may have felt like you were too different. They may have looked down upon you because of, in their view, the lack of money that you don't have. They may have labelled you poor. They may not have said it in words, but they let it be known through their social isolation or by not inviting you out to certain events. You may have heard, oh, they won't have enough, or they don't have any money, or do you think they'll be able to afford here? They rejected you. They thought they were better than you. And they went on to live the high life, maybe aligning with individuals who they thought were high value, leaving you on your own, to your own devices. But the thing is, you were never alone. You knew that what you possessed inwardly was worth more than silver and gold. You knew your value. You were done with trying to convince others. Yes, you're unique. Yes, you're different. And maybe you were judged because of your difference. So you focused on yourself. You focused on your difference. And you became successful. You became a former shadow of your past self. You see, you were always successful. No money in the bank determines your worth. Whether you've got $1 million in the bank or 1p, it does not determine your worth. And you knew that, and you know that on a spiritual level. But unfortunately, you were surrounded by very materialistic individuals who cared about status, who cared about how much money someone makes, what designer clothes they're wearing. And for some of you, they intentionally made you feel left out by organizing events that require a lot of money. Knowingly, for some of you at the time, you were struggling financially or you were going through hardships. They didn't care. They didn't care. They thought that they were too good to be seen with you. They thought that you may cramp their style. They needed to be with other individuals that make them look good. They refuse to see your worth. And it's disheartening because some of these individuals could have been friends. Some of these individuals could have been, people from group clubs, organizations, romantic interests, people that you work with, family members for some of you. But the tables are going to turn. Just saw 444. These individuals will be going through a lot of inner conflict. They're going to need your help because they're going to think to themselves, if their memory serves them correctly, That when you were going through your time of trials and tribulations, how did you cope? How did you overcome it? Because they will be going for 8 of Swords, humbling season. And they're going to look to you for support. For some of you, these individuals try to compete with you. And you might be thinking, how? But you've got more than me. In the physical, yeah. But not in the spiritual. They knew that something was within you. They knew that you had a spark, a light. But maybe they felt like they had one up over you because of their position. What they had in the material. And they used that to ice you out. But something's going to be stripped from this individual or these people, and they're going to be forced to confront how they made you feel. And they're going to think of you. Whether they express that or not, they will be thinking of you. They're going to feel lost in their despair, depressed. Some of them will be stripped from money. Some of them will be stripped from a status. Some of them may separate from a spouse, a husband. And this person was a provider. Some of them may lose friendships. I'm seeing the 6 of Cups. They're going to be forced to be on their own. And forced to confront what they value. They lack substance. They didn't see you as a human being. They looked at you as how you will make them look, what you have, what you don't have. And they judged you on that. And now Spirit has stripped or will strip these things that they put on such high esteem for whatever reason. And it doesn't have to be connected to you. It could be for their own soul's transformation. And they're going to think of you and they're going to want your help. And they are going to want to learn, how did you get through it? How did you do it? They're going to be forced to heal. And they're going to be forced to connect with their heart. And not place their values into material things. And they're going to be forced to confront that. The depth and spiritual power and authority that you have. They wish they were in a place to access and accept it. And be appreciative of it at the time when they did. For some of you, it's going to be too late because the damage has been done. When they see you in a position of authority of your own life, leading the life of your dreams on your terms, they're going to realize who they should have sided with all those times before. For some of you, like I said, they chose other people over you. And they're going to realize that these people that they chose over you are, I'm hearing, rigid, repressed. They may have come in forms of being the empress, being like a mother figure, or being so abundant, when they're going to realize that these individuals are spiritually bankrupt. They lack morals. They lack integrity. They are materialistic. They lord their wealth and try and control others with their wealth. They're going to start realizing that money is not the be all and end all. Yes, money makes the world go round. It pays your bills. You can, pay for experiences. But real human connection, real love, having someone really care about your emotional well-being is worth more than gold or money. This is what these individuals are going to start learning. Having that true one-to-one connection where you're understood, where you're valued, where someone is empathetic to your needs. They're going to start realizing those that are around them don't give a F. And they're going to be searching. Their soul's going to be screaming to connect with you. Spirit will put them through tests. It wasn't an accident for them to treat you the way that they did. Yes, it was disheartening. Even doing this video is very sad for me to do. And these individuals are going to be regretful for the way that they treated you. They're going to be needing your help. They're going to be searching for your light in others, and they will not be able to find it. because you were the light all along. You were and are their spiritual teacher. You could be an undercover boss, or you could have been an undercover boss at the time in the making when they downgraded you. Spirit wanted it to be that way, actually. Spirit wanted to see, are they worthy enough to continue with you on this cycle when you do actually achieve the success? Some of them have failed. Some of them have fallen off. Some of them didn't mean to. Some of them knowingly did, though. Those individuals will not have access to you, your light and your healing. Others were unaware of how they made you feel, but they are being forced to find empathy through healing. For others of you, those who intentionally try to make you feel bad for what you had lost, how you were living, your job role, not wanting to be seen with you for whatever reason, laughing at your living conditions, will be humbled greatly. What they valued, what they held on to and put on pedestals, they're going to lose access to it. The money that they hid behind to prop themselves up will be stripped. They're going to have to take a pay cut. They're going to have to downgrade in some way. They may struggle whilst you thrive. That's when the realization comes about. Learning to treat others with respect and as human beings, because you never know who you will need help from.